Close your eyes. It's going to take three long, slow, deep breaths. Om. 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 Feel a grounding cord drop from between your legs to the center of the core of the earth. And in that molten core where the colors are bright yellow and orange, feel that energy rise up the grounding cord and irradiate and engulf your root chakra. Now place your left palm on your lower belly, 2 inches below your belly button, over your second chakra, and feel cosmic energy get channeled into your palm and move from your palm to your second chakra, opening and balancing it. You may feel a little bit of heat or pulsing, but if you don't, it doesn't matter. Focus your attention there for the next few minutes. Now place the palm of your right hand on your heart chakra and again feel cosmic energy get channeled through your palm into your heart chakra, opening and balancing it. Fill yourself with the light of unconditional love, which is meant for you. Now place the fingers of your right hand on your third eye. Apply firm pressure and feel energy flow from your fingers into your third eye, opening and balancing the chakra. You may notice a color or get a message, and if you don't, that's perfectly okay. Now move with the fingers of your right hand to your throat chakra. And again, feel cosmic energy flow from your fingertips into your chakra. Notice colors, if any. Now move the fingers of your right hand to your solar plexus chakra, also known as the universal chakra, and feel energy flowing through your fingertips. And feel the chakra open and balance itself. Now place the palm of your right hand under your root chakra, and your fingertips should be touching your perineum, which is the thin wall of flesh between your yoni and your anus. And feel energy flow from your fingertips into your perineum and up your spine. Feel it also connect to your palm, which is over your second chakra. The flow of energy here should be palpable and strong. You may feel some heat, you may feel some pulsing as well. If you don't, it's okay. Now place both your palms on your thighs with your palms upward. So the backs of your hand are on your thighs. And slightly spread your legs and get ready for the cosmic lingam to enter you. And we now call on the cosmic lingam with the blessings of Babaji. And the cosmic lingam enters your yoni. You might even feel it palpably, but if you don't, it's fine. And feel it move in and connect to the base of your spine and send a strong surge of energy up your spine past all the open chakras to sit and lodge in your third eye, opening and awakening it. This will give you the gift of intuition, second sight, and seeing the unseen. As the cosmic lingam keeps pulsing and sending this energy up, now is a good time to make a request to Babaji and the cosmos of Kundalini for anything that you may require, whether it's health or relationship related or business related. Make one fervent, heartfelt request, and it will be done. Now we slowly roll back this energy and get back into the room, taking our time. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes.